Welcome to Linux Help. In this today's session we are going to see how to install or upgrade to PHP 8.3 on Rocky Linux 9.3. PHP 8.3 is a significant update to PHP released in 2023. This update includes a variety of new features such as typed class constants, enhanced exceptions in the DateTime extension, the introduction of the JSON_validate function, as well as functional changes, improvements, and deprecations. Similar to previous major versions, PHP 8.3 will also address various bug fixes and performance enhancements. First, I am going to check the OS version by using the following command. I am using Rocky Linux 9.3. Now I am going to show you how to install or upgrade to PHP 8.3. For that we need to add EPL and REMI repository by using the following command. Here press Y and hit enter to continue. EPL repository added successfully. Now the REMI repository also added successfully. Next, install yum utilities by using the following command. Now the yum utilities installed successfully. Next, I am going to list the available versions of PHP by using the following command. From the list we can see PHP 8.3 module. Now run the following commands to reset PHP module and install PHP 8.3 from REMI 8.3 module. Here press Y and hit enter to continue. Again press Y and hit enter to continue. Now the PHP 8.3 version has been enabled successfully. Once update your system by using the following command. Here press Y and hit enter to continue. Now install PHP by using the following command. PHP has been installed successfully. Now verify the installed PHP version by using the following command. Here we can see the PHP 8.3.6 version. By this way you can install or upgrade to PHP 8.3 on Rocky Linux 9.3. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.